Geek, Girls, Carrots. Eng weltweite Organisation, die seit Juli 2014 auch zu Luxembourg aktiv ist und allem den für jeden zugänglichen Meeting auf Bein stellt. Nachdem wir sie kontaktiert haben, haben sie als direkt herzlich auf ihren Treff angelueden und uns erlaubt, darüber zu berichten. Und das muss ich uns natürlich nicht zweimal sagen. Was Geek, Girls, Carrots alles so machen, das verraten sie euch am besten selber.
The Geek, Girls, Carrots, what's your actual goal? What are you trying to achieve with your organization?
It's mostly about promoting women in tech, because we believe that women are none the worse in tech and they're just as good as men. Unfortunately, women tend to be reluctant to get involved into the tech industry and study, for instance, informatics, computer sciences. And that's the idea, to show that women can do just as well, even if not better than men, and encourage more and more women to get into tech industry.
Since when are you doing that? Is there a specific date for here in Luxembourg since you started here?
It is. So we started last year in July with our first meetup in Technoport. We had nearly 30 participants. Why I started it is like I went to a few meetups before about tech and IT, and I just thought, okay, I want more. I want it to be a bit more regular and maybe touching different subjects and different sessions or workshops, and just in general to network and meet people. So I thought, unless you do it or I do it, it's not gonna happen. So there you go. It just kicked off and it's still going on. It started in Poland 2011 and it went global not far after that. So now we are present in Europe, in States, in Asia, so it's growing. And I think it's awesome to be a part of a global community, because whenever I need some advice from other girls about WordPress or how to build this or that, I can reach out to a friend in Tokyo or a friend in Seattle or New York. So I think it's pretty awesome. It's pretty strong and good community.
What are the plans for the future for Geek, Girls, Carrots?
I wouldn't say there are any fixed plans. Everybody's welcome to help, to get involved, to join us. And we're trying to organize as many events as we can. For instance, we're going to organize the EU Code Week in October, 10th to the 18th of October, with hopefully many events. We're going to have a really big participation of Luxembourg this year. Okay. And we're trying to get involved into many events to promote tech skills, computer skills, maths, especially among children, among young girls, but also among adult girls and women.
So for the people out there now who might be interested, is there any way to get involved with you, get in contact with you, or actually help you guys out?
Most definitely. So we need people to organize workshops, more workshops, not just Code Week, but regular workshops. We would love to do that. But we need mentors. So we need people that know programming, whether it's Django or Python or C++, anything that people think might be useful. They could reach out to us through Meetup, through Facebook page, through website. Dang. So it's not only workshop, also like monthly meetups. So if people have any idea that they would like to do a special event, just give us a shout, and I'm sure we can sort something out. Would you like to add anything, or?
Yeah. We also need people to share success stories about the tech industry, about good cooperation and collaboration. Yeah. We need really inspiring women that thought, why not, I'll just do it, and they did. Yeah. So we need speakers, we need a lot of speakers too.
Okay. Thank you very much for the interview.
We thank you.
We were very glad and happy to be here.
It was actually very interesting.
Yeah. Nachdem die Speaker mit ihren Vorträgen fertig waren und auf Froh von den Leuten angegangen sind, konnten sie sich gemütlich und angenehmer Atmosphäre kennenlernen und mit ihnen austauschen. Geek, Girls, Carrots, eine weltweit größte Organisation für Fraen die Welt von Programmeieren, Informatik und IT zu bringen. Eine super Initiative, wie wir fanden. Bei Interesse fand ich bei uns all die entsprechenden Links für das Sache zu kommen.